Ladies and gentlemen, we got some really good shine out of today's products. Before we start the video and show you how we got this, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and like the video. It helps out the YouTube algorithm. It helps promote my videos to other viewers like yourselves. But let's get into it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're doing another product review. This one though is different because this is a white. It is a ceramic coating. I have seen nothing like this. Big thank you to Hydrosilex for sending this to me. We have this Jeep, beautifully volunteered by Alex, the owner. We're going to take it from this disgusting, horrible, ugly, gross, yucky paint, just an ugly Jeep. We're going to transform it and make it beautiful. Hopefully, anyways, I have never seen a product like this, so I honestly have no expectations, but you know the drill. We're gonna actually do a very honest, open review. Later in the video, I'm gonna tell you guys how you can get these for free with a little discount code. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. It comes with two products, Rewind and Recharge. So it is ultimately a one-use towel that you use on the entire surface. This is a two-stage process, step 1 and step 2 with the Hydrosilex Rewind and Recharge. If you buy this kit, it comes in a pack of 2. It should be enough for one car. They sent me 2, which should be enough for this SUV. This should be enough to coat this entire vehicle. Let's see what it can do. So for the Rewind, it is a wax and grease remover for the exterior surfaces. We did just completely wash the entire car, so the paint is prepped for the Rewind. So the application, obviously the vehicle is already cleaned and washed. We're going to wipe down each panel of the car and then buff off with a clean microfiber towel. So we have that right here. We're going to get straight into it with step 1, which is the Rewind. All right, like I said, single-use towelettes. This literally reminds me of something you'd get after you order your dessert at a restaurant or something like that, because I think this is all just one towel. Let's see, I don't want to drop it on the ground. That would suck. We're going to fold it in half. Maybe half again. One panel at a time. Let's start with the hood. So this paint has no wax, no ceramic, no anything. We're just going to give it a rip and hope for the best. That is one half of the hood. Then we just buff off the remaining of the Rewind product. So again, this is gonna get rid of old wax, grease, oil from your hands, whatnot. Everyone point at the wheel.
PowerPoint presentation.
PowerPoint.
Kevin, you're not participating.
It literally feels like I'm wiping like one of those lemon-scented rags over a car, which is kind of scary for me because I usually just work with microfiber everything. So this is different. It is kind of making me nervous.
They're like the wipes you get when you pull into a car wash. And they're like, here's an interior wipe.
Yeah. So even after the wash, we did get some dirt and grime and garbage on here. So step 2 of 2 is this Recharge. We're basically going to do the exact same thing. So just go over the entire surface, buff it off. Pretty simple steps.
Now this one is the ceramic wipe itself, isn't it?
This is the ceramic wipe. So you apply it with waving motions, it says, like so.
Waving motions.
And then you don't want this to dry on the surface. You want to just buff it off immediately after. So that's right now. 2/3 of the way done with this car, and I could definitely feel the recharge like running out, if that makes sense. So we have that done. I am gonna end up using 2 of these for a full-size car. So if you are in a larger car, truck or SUV, definitely plan on getting 2 of these to open up number 2 and get back to work, because we are almost finished. And I must say, what we have done right now looks really good. So we're gonna get a couple tests going. I always rate these on like a 3-tiered scale. Ease of application, shine, and water beating are kind of the 3 main things that I've been rating different ceramic coatings on. So we're obviously going to do that near the end of this video as well. So stick around to get a kind of full idea of what this stuff really does. Ladies and gents, we have finally completed the process, 2-step process of the single-use towels here. Rewind and recharge complete. So this is the final shine. We are gonna get a couple shots that look a little better than this, but dang, look at that reflection. Alex, you are the owner of the car. I'm gonna give this up to you. What do you think the shine is, 1 through 10 scale?
9.
9. All right, so we've got a 9 on shine. Ease of application, I'm gonna give to myself because I'm the one who did it. Honestly, it wasn't too bad. I think from start to finish, it took about 20 minutes. That's gonna be good for any ceramic coating, but I give it a 7.8 out of 10. Not too bad. Comparing that to a couple other ceramic coatings we've done, definitely on the easier side. I would put it in comparison with next gen. Mother CMX was definitely the longest at about an hour and a half. This one only 20 minutes. All right, we're talking water beating, water sheeting. We're gonna test it with a little Aquafina. Results may vary if you're using Dasani or Fiji water. Let's just dump this straight on. Okay, the hood is flat. Hiya! I feel like you do need a hose for this. We could be doing this completely wrong. Maybe I can like have a steady stream. Hold on. So it sheets okay. I have seen this with a couple other ceramic coatings where the water beating isn't quite perfect, but it should be a good protectant against Mother Nature. But on an overall scale, I don't know, water beating maybe 6. Like I said, we're always gonna be honest and open with our reviews here for every single product, but overall quality, I think the shine, like we said, 9. Ease of application, 7.8. Water beating and water sheeting, give it a 6. If you want this 9 shine and 7.8 application ease, go to the link in the description, use code KEVG in checkout. Free, just pay shipping. I know some of the other products that are promoted, it's like, oh yeah, shipping's $20, so it's not really a deal, but shipping in Michigan was only $5.90 for me. Honestly, just skip a drink at Starbucks next time you go and get this, because the shine is really good. I'm really happy with the outcome of this product. So that's the other thing with ceramic coatings. Once it's on the car, all maintenance is going to be easier for you. So if you get the car washed, you get it wet, dry it off, you use your ceramic spray detailer or spray detailer, whatever it is, it ultimately makes maintenance on washes much easier. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more of this content, hit that subscribe button, hit like. It does promote my videos to viewers like yourselves. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Adios.